If your WhatsApp photos aren't showing in the gallery, here's a quick fix. First, open WhatsApp and tap the chat with the missing images. Tap the contact name, then media, links, and docs to confirm images are downloaded. If images are visible in WhatsApp but not in gallery, check your phone's gallery settings. Open your gallery app and ensure show hidden folders or media visibility is enabled. Still missing? Let's check WhatsApp's media visibility setting next. Go to WhatsApp settings, tap chats, and toggle media visibility on. On Android, open settings, apps, WhatsApp, permissions, and allow storage access. For newer Android versions, also allow files and media permission to show photos. If you're on iPhone, open settings, choose WhatsApp, then photos, and select all photos. If folders are hidden, use a file manager to remove any .numdia files and WhatsApp media folders. Restart your phone and reopen the gallery. Your WhatsApp images should now appear. If not, contact WhatsApp support.